Paramore Island, Virginia. 20 nautical miles coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia. 20 nautical miles until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from Assateague Beach to Sandshell Inlet, moving northeast at 25 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Blackfish Reef around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Boardwreck around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday evening for southeast Maryland and northeast North Carolina and eastern Virginia. Marine forecast.